Hello, welcome to our Chinese pre-lesson workshop. And it's our first class, so I have to introduce myself. My name is Tony Huang. I'm working in a Fujian company as the marketing specialist, and I was also working in the shoes company as project managers. And currently, my passion is teaching Chinese in the pre-apply and also teaching in another Chinese language center, Tapioca. Okay, so for every language, if we want to learn the language, we have to learn I, you, he, she. So firstly, I is 我, I is 我. You is 你 You is 你 他 is he 他 is he and she is also 她 That must be surprise you why he and she both of them are 她 That's very common in Chinese because we have many words they have the same pronunciation and we tell the difference between their characters. So 他 he and she. Okay, now we have to learn 我 I 叫 is cold. So how to say I am Tony. 我叫 Tony. I am Tony. 我叫 Tony. I am Tony. 你叫 Joe. You are Joe. 你叫 Joe. You are Joe. 她叫 Mary. She is Mary. 她叫 Mary. She is Mary. Okay, so firstly, we have to learn how to become many we, you guys, and they. You can imagine many people they get together and pray. They say Amen. So 我 and 们 is 我们. That's we. 我们 we. 你们 你 and 们 is you guys. 你们 you guys and 他们 they 他们 they. So just put the 们 that will become we, you guys, they. So 们. Okay, now we are explaining the possessive. So for possessive, it's also easy. Just put the. Okay, for example, 我 and the become mine. 我的 and then 你的 is your. 你的 is your. And 他的 is his and her. His and her. 他的. Okay, so 笔 is pen. So 我的笔 my pen. 我的笔 my pen. Okay, how to make a sentence become question? Here we say we are talking about the yes or no question. Very easy, just put the ma. You can take a ma as our question mark. So 你叫 Joe, you are Joe. 你叫 Joe 吗 Are you Joe? 你叫 Joe 吗 Are you Joe? Okay, here we how to say yes or no. Yes is 是 Yes is 是 and 不是 is no. 不 is always negative. It means no. 不是 no. 是我是 Joe. Yes, I am Joe. 不是我不是 Joe. No, I am not Joe. Okay, 是 people might asking why here is 是 and there is also 是. 是 have the two meaning. One is mean yes. The other is mean yes or is. So 是我是 Joe. Yes, I am Joe. 不是，我不是 Joe. No, I am not Joe. Okay, here I can teach you how to say I love you, and you can use it to your wife, your girlfriend, your husband, the person you care. So, 我爱你, I love you. I is mean love. 我爱你, I love you. 你爱我, you love me. 你爱我, you love me. So you might notice when I use I or me, I only use 我. That's why I want to tell you Chinese is easier than other language, because no wonder I use I or me, I only use 我. We don't have the subject and object difference. Okay, so 我爱她, I love her. 我爱她, I love her. Okay, in the end, I'm going to tell you how to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. 早安, good morning. 早安, good morning. 午安, good afternoon. 午安, good afternoon. 晚安, good evening. 晚安, good evening. So, 安 is mean peace. So you can say here is only the first letter different. 早午晚 an is all the same. So an is mean peace. You can see here is like a roof of the house, and you keep a woman in house. That mean peace. So 早安, 午安, 晚安 does mean you wish people peace, and the other one you also wish he have a good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So in the end, I want to say thank you to you guys to watch my lessons, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.